Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goring Guitar. I came across a very cool song here from Michael Kiwanuka. Not sure about that pronunciation, but anyway, first time here on Goring Guitar for sure. And this song is called Tell Me a Tale, okay? So this one is like 60s or early 70s all over it. I love that music video as well. Great vibes, very cool song here. And we have this main part that is about two chords. And then we have something of a chorus or bridge part or whatever that also makes up with two chords, and that's it. So we're gonna learn this together. No need for any capo here. All right, so we're gonna look at the chords first. We have the A minor. All right, so that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And the second chord, that is this chord that belongs to the main part, goes like this. And it's the exact same shape of the A minor, but at this third position, you can say it goes open A, fourth D, fourth G, third B, and open E. Should be somewhat of a D bass in this chord, I'm not sure, but yeah, A minor and A minor 2, we can call it the A minor 2, not sure there, but anyway, these two chords are the chords that makes up for the main part of the song. But then we have another two chords that comes here and there, and it's the G first, and that goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the fourth chord is the A minor 7. So it's very similar to the A minor. What you do there is just to take off this second G string, get that open. That is the A minor 7. So it goes open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. All right, so for these two parts, we have two different, totally different strumming patterns, so we're gonna learn that. So let's take a look at the main part here, the switch between the A minor 1 and A minor 2, and that's the new names of these two chords. But anyway, it's two different parts here in this strumming pattern. So the A minor goes like this. So it's down, down, up, down. So down, down, up, down. And then you switch to this second A minor chord, and it goes down, up, down, 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 up. I really love the sound of this chord. So it goes down, up, down, 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 up. When you do the ups and downs here in this chords, you don't go all the way up, and you don't even have to go on the way down all the way. So you just kind of dance on some strings here from the chord. Otherwise, it will be too much sound and noisy like that. So that is the full strumming pattern. You just switch between these two chords. Perhaps 70% of the song, I'm not sure, but anyway, somewhere there. So A minor 1, A minor 2, and that's the strumming. Slowly it goes like this. And of course, it would be nice to just slide between these two chords. I try to avoid that a little bit for this song. It gets very noisy from the strings. This sound is not great always. So you can do it sometimes, but not all the way like this. It will take away a lot from the feeling here. So try to avoid that a lot if you can. Otherwise, it's very sweet to just have the same grip there between these two A minors. Anyway, that is the main parts in standard tempo. Perhaps I can show you that as well. It goes like this. something like that, perhaps a little bit fast there, but anyway, I think you understand. Now over to what we can call the chorus, okay? So two new chords and completely different string pattern. So we're gonna switch now between G and the A minor 7. So one string around, we can take that G there, since that is the first chord. It goes like this. You're gonna play one of these per chord back and forth. So it will be down, clap, down, down, clap, down. So down, clap, down, down, clap, down. And a couple rounds. You're only going to play one per chord, so you're going to switch between G and the A minor 7, and I think you do that for about 4 rounds. So let's go for a couple of rounds. G and A minor 7, it goes like this. And then back to main. And so on. All right. So Michael Kiwanuka, I'm not sure there, but anyway, Tell Me a Tale. What a wonderful tale here. I love this song. So yeah, and if you do that as well and love this tutorial, please thumb up this one. And yeah. Hope you have a good and nice day. Thank you for watching and play tuned.